Hey everybody, Jim, Midnight Road Garage, and today we are checking out some Icon large combination wrenches from Harbor Freight. I didn't really want to get them, but I didn't have time to order anything online. I really needed to just be able to go pick them up in person, so that's what I did. Got to get some lines off this guy right here. Let's check them out. I went to the Harbor Freight store. Quite frankly, I was looking for something cheaper than this. I'm not sure where all my large combination wrenches have gone. The only one I was able to find was my 1-inch Mac over here. I need some larger sizes for the hydraulic lines on the case. These 4 inches were $79.99, so I wouldn't say they were super expensive, but I would have liked to have just bought one, but they don't sell them that way. So according to the box, they are precision machined for a perfect non-slip fit. Tough and durable polished chrome finish. Includes premium storage tray. We'll see about that. Chrome vanadium steel. And we have a lifetime guarantee. Tough, durable, polished chrome finish prevents corrosion and grease buildup. Slim profile designed for optimal comfort and grip. Slim, huh? Precision machined for perfect fit on all fasteners, giving you the maximum torque without slippage. Angled open end allowed easier work in tight spaces. Balanced handle design provides a comfortable and secure grip. Polished chrome finish offers superior rust and corrosion resistance. We've got a 15-degree offset for knuckle clearance, making it easier to reach around obstructions. Precision 12-point box end allows easy fastener engagement without slippage and prevents fastener round off. You can also see they are fairly long. And look, the box has an alarm with anti-theft protection on it. Nice. I don't recall it going off when I walked out with them, though. Just kidding, I paid for them. All right, let's open up this box, see what we got. I wonder if this tape is the anti-theft device. So right off the bat, I can see their premium case is junk. Fortunately, I was not buying these for the premium case. The case is obvious trash. What I bought it for was the wrenches. So if you're buying it for the premium case, don't waste your time then. Well, here's our first one, right out of the box here. This has some sort of scratching or crap on the chrome. Yeah, not too surprised. This one, same way, right out of the box, pretty scuffed up. Yeah, that one's in good shape. And then our 1.25 inch. Yeah, it's got scratches on it. It looks like these things have been used. Oh, there's where it punched through the premium case. Alright, so case is junk. I guess the cardboard is what keeps it stiff. Alright, so our premium case, failing. Okay. I don't really care about this case because this takes up way too much space in my toolbox anyway. But, come on, this is supposed to be one of the features, and it's garbage. Let's see how well they work, though, on a hydraulic line. Let's compare this old Mac wrench to the new Icon. Well, I like the Mac better. Feels like it weighs about the same as the Mac. It's interesting that they're angled different directions. As long as this fits snugly onto this hydraulic line, I don't really care. Because what I needed to do is take a line off, not win a beauty contest. Let's check it out. You can see how much wiggle room we have. It's not bad. Alright, let's get this line off. It seems good. Seems to work. Had good leverage. So as a wrench, works fine. So, good news in that department. Alright, this one's a 1, so we're going to use the Mac. Probably nothing you guys need to see. Well, it's starting to get dark, and I still got another line to get off. But my final thoughts on these. If you don't really need large combination wrenches, and you're only going to use them every now and then, they're just fine for that. I would think if you're going to do this every day, I'd get something else. They seem to fit fine on the line, but it looks like they're going to bang up pretty easy. I would just think that over the long run, if you're using these professionally, I wouldn't. I'd probably just get some nice snap-ons or Max or something, something other than these for home use, for the weekend warrior or whatever. These are fine. If you're not using them a lot, these will just be fine. They're I guess a cheap alternative. At $80, you get what you pay for with these. If I were you, I certainly wouldn't buy them for the premium tool case. But anyways, like, subscribe. I'll see you guys down the road.